So today we are going to cover audit history in Redwood. So that is a new feature that came in 25C. So that is a very recent feature. So if you
Hmm.
remember in the simplified UI, we can see the audit history in the subtab, right? So in
Yeah,
this,
in the history details.
in the
Yeah.
history details, we can add as a
Yeah.
subtab. So in the same way,
Hmm.
what we can do in the subview, we can see the history details. So previously that
Okay.
option was not there, but that is recently introduced. Okay.
Hmm.
So in the same way, like whatever I told, so without navigating to the audit report, you can just see in the subview, same like we can see in the simplified UI subtab.
Okay.
Okay, so I think we are already aware like how to enable the auditing. So we can go to the manage audit policy task and see whether the audit level is auditing or not. So we
Hmm.
will just cover one small use case. So let's go to setup and maintenance first. So sales foundation, and here we can say manage audit policies.
Okay.
So here the audit level is none. So let's change it to auditing. So we can select what fields we want to configure for the auditing and all, but we will just change the out of the standard field only. So
Okay.
let's make it to auditing. That's it. So let's make change on one field. Let's go to accounts and let's change the name of that account. Let's change it to 02 for example. So now what we will do, we will configure the audit subview and let's see whether we are able to see that data or not, whatever we have changed. So let's go to configuration and visual builder.
Hmm.
So that part we have already done. So now let's go to the implementation. Redwood sales migration. And let's create a new workspace.
Okay.
You can use the existing one also just for the demo purpose. I'm doing it. Let's click
Yeah.
create.
Okay.
So CX is not there. So let's add the sales dependency, right? Let's go to the sales and click add. Now we are able to see customer experience. Let's go to sales. Let's go to the accounts and list page. So we want to configure the sub view. That means we have to go to the detail layout, right?
Yeah.
Let's take the same record. The detail page is loaded.
ये उस दिन जैसा ही चल रहा है शायद स्लो.
नहीं नहीं नजर मत लगाओ. Okay, so that is panel content layout. So where we have to go, we have to go to the sub view layout. So what we can do, we can
Subview.
click on the view all on any
Hmm.
any panel. So let's click in here. Okay, so sub view is there.
Hmm.
So what we can do, we can drill down to the sub view container layout. So let me show you one more thing. Oracle has already provided the document. I can also show you. So in the 25C, they have added that feature. So view audit history and object
Hmm.
records in Redwood. So that you can see same way we are also
Hmm.
following whatever they have told.
Okay.
Okay. So we can, okay. So we'll go to the sections and here what we will do, we will create new section
Hmm.
and let's give it a name audit. Let's click OK. So what will happen? One section is already added there.
Hmm.
So let's click on the code. So here what we will do, from the palette, we will get the audit. So there is already a fragment. Oracle is already given for that is cx-audit. Just drag and
Hmm.
drop it here. And there is, so there are a lot of parameters for that one. So like what is the resource? That is the main parameter. So what I will do, already Oracle is given in the document. Same thing I will copy. I am already lazy person. Fine. So that was
Hmm.
already
Yeah.
same. What I have added, so nothing else. That was already given by the fragment. When I drag and drop, it has added the resource fragment, resource parameter. It has added. So let's give it the
Hmm.
values. So what is the name? Name is the accounts. Primary key is party ID, right?
Hmm.
Party ID and the variable name will be page base dot variable. So what we are doing? So like in the party ID, so the current page is already having the variable that is containing the party ID. So that we are passing. Fine. So that's the only code that we have to do. So main parameter like cx-audit that is already you can drag and drop. Only resource parameter you have to configure.
Hmm.
So now what we will do. So let's go to the Subview container layout.
Hmm.
So you can see the whatever the new audit you have created. So the new subview you have created. So you can see it here. So what we will do, we will go to the rules.
Hmm.
So what we can see in here, only read only is available without any condition. We will duplicate that one.
Okay.
Okay. And we will add
Hmm.
the audit.
Audit. Yeah.
Done. That part is done. So one more mapping we have to do. So in the JSON, if we go, so we can see, so little bit you will learn here also. So we can see audit. So now if I go to the page designer, I will see show audit in the small case. So the property is reflecting that part only. So what I want, I will do audit in capital and I will map this audit to the section template map. So what I am saying, so with the capital audit, I want, so he should be navigated to this one. So what it will do, from display properties, whatever I will search, it will go to the section template. From the section template, it will fetch the template for this one. So there is already a template with the smaller case audit. You can see this one. So it will come in here
Hmm.
and get the data. You got me?
Hmm.
Let me repeat one more time. So what I did, so
Yeah.
I want to display in capital, right? So it will show audit in
Yeah.
the, so automatically it will show in the search bar now a capital. Second thing, what I want to do,
Hmm.
I want to map this section template. In that, what I am
Hmm.
telling for this audit, what which template I have to call. See, above also you can see right for address, this template you have to call. So
Hmm.
the Oracle did that mapping automatically when we add it, but at the back end, how that is working, so that audit is going to come in here and get the data from here. That's it.
Okay.
If you see now it will come in caps.
Yeah.
So now if you see, it should show the data. So there are two options, 7 days, 30 days. Automatically the 7 days, 30 days is done by the fragment. I didn't do anything, right? I didn't configure 7 days, 30 days, old value, new value. The fragment is already there. So it already had the data. So whatever structure that they have defined, so directly you can use it. Just pass the party ID, the object name and the primary key. That's it.
Hmm.
Same you can do for opportunities, whatever object you have, you can do it. So that's how it's going to look.
Okay.
Same way if I show you the Oracle document, same thing they have done. So first part, enable the auditing, then just this template, and after that the display properties mapping, same thing. They have taken a different name and we have taken a different name, that's it. Otherwise, rest everything is same. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay, that's it. Done.